Need to access a Mathcad Enterprise worksheet for engineering calculations? These MCE files contain professional mathematical and engineering documents. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Mathcad Enterprise worksheet files. My experience tells me that some MCE files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. An MCE file is a worksheet created by Mathcad, a powerful engineering calculation software. These files are used by engineers and scientists to perform, document, and share complex calculations and design work. The format integrates mathematical notation, text, and graphs into a single readable document for analysis and reporting. The MCE format is a proprietary structured file designed to store both the visual layout and the underlying mathematical logic of a worksheet. It contains XML-based data for equations, variables, plots, and text regions, allowing the software to recalculate results dynamically while preserving the document's presentation. The developer of PTC Mathcad, PTC, Parametric Technology Corporation, created the original specifications for MCE. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows offers only minimal editing support, so full capability depends on document-specific software. We are checking the software list for a compatible opener. Right-click your MCE file and select Open With. If PTC Mathcad is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every possible application. If the MCE file won't open, don't panic. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in Mathcad Enterprise. Install PTC Mathcad Prime Enterprise Edition, which is the current version supporting MCE files. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the MCE file. The worksheet displays with all mathematical content recalculated using Mathcad's live mathematics engine for engineering analysis. Next, converting from legacy format. Older Mathcad worksheets may need conversion to current Mathcad Prime format. Open MCE files in Mathcad Prime, which prompts for conversion. The application updates the format, preserving mathematical content while enabling current features. Save converted files in current MCDX format for future use in PTC Mathcad Prime. Finally, exporting to PDF. Within Mathcad Prime, export MCE worksheets to PDF format for sharing with colleagues who don't have Mathcad. Use File then Print and select PDF, or use the dedicated export function. PDF exports preserve mathematical formatting and calculation results for distribution and archival of engineering calculations and analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.